It's 2022.
Oh, oh what?
How many states are there in India?
State. Oh, that's a hard one. 59 something.
Hapo state jungi Kanutali district dan.
Around 13, 11 or 13 approximately.
Hapo state jungi Kanutali district dan. 12. Correct. 12. Kanutali district dan hapo state jungi.
District 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
7 district. Nah, wrong.
I don't know about that.
It's 12 district.
Oh,
You know how many states are there in India?
That's very embarrassing. Oh my god, no, I kind of like.
You can guess if you want to. 20 above.
26.
Okay, almost there. What is the capital city of Delhi?
Capital city.
Capital city of Delhi?
Okay, no, I don't know. I
You
really
don't
don't
know?
know. Yeah.
Who was our former president that died in our state?
APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, I'll go with that.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
No, I'm very embarrassed right now.
Okay, that's
Oh
great.
my
That's
God.
great. That's great. That's correct. How many states are there in India?
29.
You can hold it.
29.
29. Okay. Currently state hapo India ka dan? Arpandai. Okay. Wrong.
28.
28. Correct.
A quick update. We have 28 states in India excluding Jammu and Kashmir because Jammu and Kashmir now it's one of the union territory of our country. So it's just an update from my side, guys. Hope you guys know this. And
What is the capital city of Delhi? Capital city. Capital city of Delhi. Agra. What is the capital city of Delhi?
Yeah, yeah.
What is the capital city of Delhi?
Agra.
Agra. Mana former president ni bayap ako state jungi.
Abdul Kalam.
Abdul Kalam. Full name?
PJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, correct. But if former president of India bayap hapo state jungi.
Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, correct. How's name you yap?
17. 14. 13. So 17.
Huh?
17. 13. Or 14.
In which year did Meghalaya receive its 50th? 50. Yes.
1970, I guess. 1970 or something.
1970.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
what about you?
Yeah, I'll go with that too.
Go with that. It's 2022.
Oh, oh what?
Minno ka Meghalaya ka your 50th anniversary ka.
50th anniversary.
Alright, how's name you?
Was last year, if I'm not mistaken.
Last year, which year?
Last year, 2023.
2023? Wrong.
2022.
Correct.
2022.